Now let us move to the next part and the important one. And it's my honor and privilege to introduce RIP Shekhar Mehta. So Shekharji is only the fourth Indian in 115 years to be nominated as the president of Rotary International for the year 2021-22. Shekhar Mehta was born in 1959 in Kolkata, India. A keen academician, he graduated from St. Xavier's College and has the unique combination of Masters in Commerce, a qualified chartered accountant, cost accountant, and company secretary. He heads the Skyline group engaged in real estate development in different parts of India, including the largest group housing in the state of Rajasthan. He is member of many professional, cultural, and charitable organizations. He has served as trustee of Shelter Box UK. He is the trustee of Operation Eyesight India, a Canada-based organization. Shekhar Mehta joined Rotary in 1985. He is a member of Rotary Kolkata Mahanagar. He served as district governor in 1999-2000 and was elevated to the board of directors of Rotary International for 2011 to 2013. He has been chairman of Joint Partnership Committee of Rotary International, Strategic Planning Committee of Rotary International, Rotary India Literacy Mission, Rotary Foundation India, Rotary India Centennial Celebrations, and Rotary India Humanity Foundation. He served as director on the board of Rotary International from 2011 to 2013. While serving as Rotary International director, he helped Rotary add 2 countries to its fold, Bhutan and Maldives. Keenly dedicated to service, Shekhar Mehta has led many major service initiatives in India and South Asia. Some significant initiatives are constructing 500 homes for tsunami survivors at Andaman and Nicobar Islands, starting the Shekhar Kit program in India, which has served about 20 disaster distribution, more than 15,000 shelter kits, helping about 75,000 disaster victims. He started Saving Little Hearts, a pediatric heart surgery program. Through this, he has done more than 2,500 heart surgeries for children from across India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and African countries. He also facilitated for the program to now become a national program. Conceptualizing nationwide Teach a literacy program in India, having reached out to more than 50,000 schools and 15 million children. Teach is a holistic program on literacy. Rotary is working on the Teach program with the central government and many state governments. The program has been replicated in Nepal and Pakistan. He has helped take the e-learning program to millions of children through the television channels of Government of India. He is the architect of the Rotary Total Literacy Program of India. He has been instrumental in setting up more than 15 eye hospitals across India, serving nearly 50,000 eye operations each year. He started a scholarship program called UDAN for marginalized children. Over last 10 years, 1,000 scholarships have been given by this club. Responding to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's national call, he has helped set up 6,000 rural toilets benefiting 30,000 people. Shekhar Mehta is spearheading an India-wide project in collaboration with the Government of India in the area of water, sanitation, literacy, healthcare, environment, and disaster management. The results of this program he professes will be Rotary's role in the nation building of India. The Prime Minister of India and various cabinet ministers have applauded this mega initiative of Rotary in India. Shekhar Mehta is a motivational speaker. He has spoken at hundreds of events nationally and internationally. His motivational skills are at par excellence, which has helped raise millions of dollars for the Rotary Foundation. Shekhar Mehta is recipient of the highest award of Rotary International and the Rotary Foundation, Service Above Self Award, the Meritorious Service Award, the Distinguished Service Award. He will serve as the world leader of 1.2 million Rotarians in 200 countries and geographical areas in the year 2021-22. Shekhar Mehta is married to Rashi Mehta. She is a social worker and is a stage artist, having performed in socially relevant plays across India. They have a son Chirag, married to Geeta, a daughter Geeta, and a grandson Veer. His guiding mantra in life is service is the rent that we pay for the space we occupy on this earth. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big hand. I present to you R.I.P. Shekhar Mehta.
Good afternoon, friends. It's a pleasure for me to come and attend this valedictory session of the Enterprise Education webinars. Just a couple of days back, or maybe last week or this week itself, Pradeep had got in touch with me, and I heard about this program. And I'm so happy that this program is being taken up at a time when it is probably most needed in the history of mankind. In today's time, when people are losing their jobs, when thousands and thousands of people across the world will not have another job, skilling them or letting them understand the concept of enterprise education is so very important. Also, it's so much in tune with the National Education Policy 2020. I've seen the policy document. Fortunately, the government has had reached out to various organizations, and we too had put in our suggestions to the government. And all of those suggestions having been taken, the government of India has come out with the National Education Policy recently. And under Chapter 16 of the National Education Policy is reimagination of the vocational training. It is so important that in India, we start giving huge importance to this aspect. It stems basically from the very fact that there is a lack of understanding of the dignity of labor. Jabki, this country has been led by a person like Gandhi, who had said that you have to respect everyone's role in the community. And उन्होंने कहा था कि जब when a sweeper sweeps a floor, sweeps a road, तो वो इस कदर से उसमें अपनी जी जान लगा दे कि लोगों को लगता है कोई आर्टिस्ट आर्ट करके गया है. I mean, that is the outstanding thought process. अगर जिस दिन आदमी को ये समझ में आने लग जाएगा कि I have to bring excellence in my work, that is what skill development is. Today, you need a very good carpenter, you will not get. But there are 20 carpenters in your area who don't have a job. So that is because उनको कभी भी enterprise education हुआ ही नहीं, उनका skill development हुआ ही नहीं. थोड़ा बहुत उन्होंने समझ लिया, that is good enough. The latest technology they are not using. The machinery that is available for carpentry is not being used by them. Similarly, for various things. You want an accountant in your office? I mean, if I want an accountant, I'll get 1,000 applications for one seat, but I tell you, it's difficult to identify 10 good guys out of that. I can see so many people nodding their heads. It is because in India, only 5% of its student population gets training in vocations. Only 5%. In Korea, it is up to 90% plus. So every child जो पढ़ के निकलता है कॉलेज से, वो अपना जॉब करना जानता है. या तो उसको बढ़िया जॉब मिल जाएगा या बढ़िया अपना एंटरप्राइज स्टार्ट कर लेगा. In places like Germany, so advanced countries where there is a lot of focus on the vocational training, the ratio is 50% to 95%. India में it is 5%. जबकि population इतनी बड़ी है, इंडिया में needs इतनी बड़ी है, the demands can be so huge. Demand is also generated by what is available. जब तक मारुति नहीं थी, तब तक हम लोग एम्बेसडर और फिएट से खुश थे. मारुति started a revolution and today, I mean, my building, अब हमारी बिल्डिंग में जाएंगे लगता है गाड़ी के शोरूम में आ गए. 30 brands at least. I mean, every 10th person who has a car nowadays has a BMW, Mercedes, etc. How did it all arise? Because of the product being available. हम आज से 20 साल पहले कभी सोच सकते थे कि पानी के लिए पैसा देना पड़ेगा? आज बिना पैसा दिए तो आप पानी ही नहीं पीना चाहते हैं. You go onto the road, if somebody gives you water, you will not drink it. You want mineral water only. So all this has got created because availability of the things. People need to understand that there is huge potential for small scale industries, and these could be done only when people are skilled to do that. Otherwise, they will do ordinary stuff and it will not sell. Ordinary things won't sell. Excellence लाना पड़ेगा. और excellence लाने के लिए, when we look at Japan, that is excellence. When you look at Germany, that is excellence. Korea, I mean, what a small country, but what excellence they bring. इनकी गाड़ियां आप खरीद लीजिए खराब ही नहीं होती है. And I don't remember ambassadors में तो हम जब तक बोनट खोलते थे, मैंने तो अपनी गाड़ी का बोनट ही नहीं खोला लास्ट 5 साल के अंदर. एम्बेसडर का हर तीसरे दिन बोनट खोल के कुछ ना कुछ करना ही पड़ता था. So that is what is required. People need to be skilled and they need to understand that there is tremendous value and that will come out of dignity of labor. इस दिन ये कारपेंटरी का काम छोटा मोटा नहीं लगेगा और बढ़िया लगने लग जाएगा. इलेक्ट्रिशियन का काम अच्छा लगने लग जाएगा. Yes, that is also a form of art. I think that day India will do amazing work. Amazing work. Such huge population. They need to understand this, and I'm so very happy that Rotary is thinking about it. And Pradeep, I must compliment you, Pradeep Wagh, for taking up this initiative. And I can see the passion when you were talking. तुम्हारे बातों से समझ में आ रहा था. You were so emotionally charged. It shows that you want to do this. You are so passionate about it. और जब तक passion न हो, तब तक excellence नहीं आ सकती. Excellence के लिए passion बहुत जरूरी है. So I'm very happy that you've taken this up, and Rotary India Literacy Mission is dedicated to it. So उसका जो teach program है adult literacy के अंदर में, there is a skill development program, and we have started there where the skill development program में initially हमने लिया कि 30,000 widows or single mothers or their unmarried children would be given skilled training. So 30,000 में 6,000 के लिए प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर दिया गया था. There were 6,000 people जिनकी ट्रेनिंग होनी थी और चल रही थी, पर तब तक में बीच में पेंडेमिक आ गया. But you will be happy to know right now we are skilling with Apollo MediSkills, where they are getting skilled for 2 months online, and the next 1 month will be in person, and 100% absorption by Apollo MediSkills. So these are various things, and there is so much to learn. Every 10th building in Calcutta seems to be a parlor. I don't know कितने लोग haircut कराने जाते हैं. मैं तो hair ही नहीं बचेंगे. So I don't know how many people go for haircut and styling, etc. And these people earn very well. When I listen to Rashi, my wife speaking to somebody very politely, और बोल रही है देखो अंजू please try करो, आ सकती हो क्या? I understand that she is speaking to her beautician. वो beautician के पास में time नहीं आने के लिए. She has a car of her own. अनपढ़ लड़की, खुद की गाड़ी है, ड्राइवर से आती, आपका घर पे जो भी ब्यूटिशियन का काम करके दिन में 10 जगह अगर वो जाती है और उसको 1,500 की कमाई होती है, तो इमेजिन हाउ मच शी इज अर्निंग. कहीं पे 500 का बिलिंग है, कहीं पे 1000 का है. दिन में एवरेज में उसकी 1000 रुपए से ज्यादा की बिलिंग होती है एक एक जन की, और 10 जगह जाए 10,000, 30, I mean she is earning probably 3 lakhs, 1.5, 2 lakh rupees, and she is just a beautician. तो देखिए मेरी भी, मैंने भी क्या, she is just a beautician. इस बात को हम लोगों की सोच से निकालना पड़ेगा. ये just वर्ड क्यों आएगा वहां पर? She is just a beautician, but he is a chartered accountant. That needs to change also. She is a beautician, he is just a chartered accountant. Probably ऐसा सोचने का दिन आने की जरूरत है. So friends, जरूरत बहुत है इंडिया में. The program that you have taken up, all of you, and I am very happy Nepal has taken up. Nepal is very sincere about this. जैसे आपने रोटरी इंडिया लिटरेसी मिशन है, वहीं पर रोटरी नेपाल लिटरेसी मिशन भी शुरू हुआ. And I'm so happy that Faiz Kidwai is here. फैज ने रोटरी पाकिस्तान लिटरेसी मिशन को सिंगल हैंडेडली बढ़ाया है, जिस तरह की नेपाल में तीर्थमान जी और किरण लाल श्रेष्ठा ने इसको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले गए हैं। तीर्थमान जी इज अ वेरी वेल प्लेस्ड पर्सन, बहुत बढ़िया जान पहचान है, एक्स सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नेपाल रहे हुए हैं, हर कोई उनको जानता है नेपाल के अंदर में, सो वेरी एमिनेंट पर्सन। And under his guidance, we needed somebody very dynamic to push the program, and in Kiran Lal Shrestha we have that person. ये मेरा सबसे पुराना दोस्त होगा नेपाल का, किरण लाल श्रेष्ठ, very dear to me, बहुत अच्छा काम किया, outstanding governor he was last year, and he will do a lot of things in future also. His work is outstanding. कभी इसकी सिटी में भी जाइएगा, it's one of my favorite cities to go, towns to go, पोखरा जाके लगता है लाइफ सब धीरे हो गई है, आराम से सब कुछ होता है, so beautiful. I don't know how many of you have gone to पोखरा। पोखरा में गए हम, तो देखिए आदमी कितना दिमाग लगाता है चीज़ करने में, एक्सीलेंस। So there is a Fishtail Lodge there. Fishtail Lodge एक आइलैंड पे है, बीच में, पानी के बीच में उसने एक होटल बनाया, बहुत अच्छा सा होटल है, आउटस्टैंडिंग होटल, that was used बेस्ट होटल। पहुंचेंगे कैसे? उन्होंने एक बैम्बू का बार्ज बनाया, उस बार्ज पे दोनों साइड रस्सी लगी हुई है, उस साइड में एक आदमी खड़ा होकर आपके बार्ज को ऐसे ऐसे खींचता है रस्सी, तो आप वहां जाते हैं, फिर वापस इधर आने के लिए दूसरे साइड से कोई खींचता है। मैंने उनको बोला, यार कि आप लोग इसको ऐसे क्यों करते हो, मोटराइज क्यों नहीं करते हो? Some sound coming at the back. तो उसने कहा कि जी हम इसलिए करना चाहते हैं कि हम चाहते हैं पोखरा में जब आ जाए ना, तो आपके लाइफ का स्पीड स्लो हो जाना चाहिए। मतलब मोटर तो हम लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन लगा नहीं रहे। अगेन आदमी को सोच लाने की जरूरत है, एक्सेलेंस लाने की जरूरत है। सो मैं किरण की बात कर रहा था, आउटस्टैंडिंग जॉब ही डज। एंड अनदर पर्सन आई मस्ट से इज फैज किदवई। फैज इतना शर्माओ मत, हाँ तुम अपना चेहरा दिखाओ भाई, तालियां बजाएं इनके लिए। He has been nominated to be the director of Rotary International. He is the choice of the nominating committee. पाकिस्तान को पहला बंदा होगा जो कि डायरेक्टर बन सकता है अगर इसे चैलेंज न किया जाए और इनको ओवरकम न कर ले। हम विश करते हैं, फैज से भी हमारा बड़ा दिल जुड़ा हुआ है, बहुत खास दोस्त है मेरा। इसका हर एक को रोटरी इंटरनेशनल में गवर्नर बनने से एनाहेम जाना पड़ता था पहले, फिर सैन डिएगो जाना पड़ता था। इस साल वो लोग ओरलैंडो जाएंगे। एक ही बंदा है, रेयर बंदा, जिसको 1:1 ट्रेनिंग मिली थी। इसका ट्रेनर मैं था, इसको वीजा नहीं मिला वहां जाने का, यूएस, so he had to come to Calcutta to take special training for 2 days, and those were wonderful times we have spent.
And I am the luckiest one.
Who's taking the Nepal, who's taking the Pakistan literacy mission really forward, and I do hope you will get these programs also included there.
Yes, for sure. Yes.
Calcutta, India में है,
जी,
नेपाल में है, उसी जरूरत पाकिस्तान में है, and the process remains the same.
And I'll request Pradeep ji to please help us out.
Yes, sir.
Do involve them and see that this program moves there also.
Yes, sure.
Once again, my compliments to everyone who's organized this event. Pramod, I believe you have been playing a very instrumental role in this. Congratulations. जिसमें तुम तो आजकल दो प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो, प्रमोद, very nice. प्रमोद Jejurikar also a very dedicated Rotarian. ये पूना वाले सब dedicated होते हैं बहुत. So well done. All the best to you. My compliments, Subodh, to you. So great job, very well done. And if you need any help in taking the matter forward, you can see Vishwajit Ghosh is here. Pradeep, you have been in touch with him. Vishwajit happens to be the Chief Strategy Officer for Rotary India Literacy Mission. A very fast thinker, very quick execution, very passionate, dedicated to the cause of literacy, and he has a whole team of people who are extremely dedicated. So with these words, let me once again compliment all of you for taking this program ahead. It is something, again, let me tell you, this is very passionate, a passionate program of Kamal Sangvi. तो प्रदीप, आप कमल से जरूर बात करिए, कमल से बात करिएगा. He has just now started what program I had started was for widows only, but Kamal has now got started a program which is across the board for anybody who needs skill development. So Arik ka passion hai, Kamal is passionate about that. Vishwajit is involved into that. So Kamal se baat karke take this program forward. All the very best to all of you. Thank you.
Shekhar, we are very fortunate that you spoke to us. I must just acknowledge once again the presence of international experts who joined us, who had addressed the webinars. Dr. Akhauri, Dr. Mishra, Chandramouli Pathak, Mehrotra ji, they're all with us in this great journey, sir, of enterprise education.
Namaskar. Thank you so much for what you are doing.
Yes,
excellent.
Sir. Thank you. So,